Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Bromine and iodine have different physical states at room temperature, and we need to explain why using intermolecular forces. Let's solve this chemistry puzzle quickly. Both bromine and iodine are non-polar diatomic molecules, which means the only intermolecular forces holding them together are London dispersion forces. We must compare the strength of these specific attractions. Iodine is much larger and has more electrons than bromine, making its electron cloud more polarizable. This increased polarizability leads to significantly stronger London dispersion forces between the iodine molecules. Because iodine has stronger attractions, it stays a solid while bromine remains a liquid. This makes option A our correct choice. You totally nailed it. Well done! Scan now. Avoid the rush of picking bond strength. Trust the given polarization rules for these nonpolar molecules to find the answer.